few days ago, her new trailer had not arrived yet, so she decided to take her new tractor unit and hitch it to her old 3660 trailer to go out for her first trip, to test the gas consumption. Her very first load was a full truck of jumbo bags. After unloading the cargo, she drove the rig straight to Kunming. Arriving in Kunming, she wanted to upgrade the truck for a safer drive, to do some custom work. Since it's a brand new truck, it doesn't have any accessories inside yet. That is why, right now, she drove it to this truck body shop to install a brake cooling spray rack. So when the new trailer arrives, it will be ready to use immediately. To install this cooling spray rack today, she returned to the Jinhua truck body shop because the water tank on her old 3660 trailer was also custom made here. With the rack finished, she is now moving to the interior shop. After all, it's a massive new truck. Decorating it nicely makes it just like a real house. If you style the interior well, driving and living in it every single day will be so comfortable. This shop's business is incredibly busy. There are absolutely no parking spots left. Now she is just waiting for the owner, Mr. May, to find her a spot so that she can finally drive the truck inside. Brother May, can you recommend a good color for me? Which color looks better for my almond floor mats?
Well, it really depends on what you like. Everyone has different tastes when it comes to colors. But if you ask me, since you want my recommendation, I think this Hermes Orange looks best for the almond cabin. It will look very elegant and premium.
This color right here?
This Maserati Red is also a great option. As for Maserati Red, since you are the one driving, it will match your style perfectly.
Let's go with this one, the Hermes Orange.
All right, Hermes Orange it is. Great choice. It is going to look beautiful. Let's check out the final look once it's done.
Now they are starting to decorate her truck. Inside her heart, she is highly anticipating the final result, to see how it looks. They have been working on it from daytime until dark. Her truck is the only one left unfinished. She told the owner, Mr. May, that she needs to load cargo soon. Then Mr. May promised her that no matter how late it is, they will finish her truck tonight. While they were still decorating, some fellow truckers came over to check out her truck. As you know, I bought this truck for long-haul trucking across the country. Let me go ask the female shop owner in a bit. For my cross-country trips, I must choose a very reliable parking air conditioner, because some places out there can get incredibly hot. I just can't stand the heat. Let's go talk to the owner now. Oh, Sister Yun.
Hey, Xiao Min. Long time no see.
Yes, indeed.
It's been a while. You are still as beautiful as ever.
You look gorgeous too. Actually, today I came here because I wanted to ask you, to install an AC unit and also set up a lithium battery.
Oh, a lithium battery and an AC.
Let me tell you, sister. You know what? Trucking is pretty tough these days. So I am looking for something that is highly cost-effective, but also offers top quality. Got it. You understand, don't you? Okay?
I totally understand. So, okay, then I'll get straight to the point. No more beating around the bush. You should just install this unit. For this one, it offers the best value for your money. Plus, its cooling performance is amazing. Super cooling and ultra quiet. It saves a lot of power. I honestly think this air conditioner is the perfect choice. Based on the current market right now, this is the absolute best budget option.
Since the owner says so, let's just go with this one. Please put it on my truck right away.
Sure thing, sis.
So the air conditioner is now fully chosen. Now, can you recommend a good lithium battery? Because my factory battery that came with the truck is a bit small. Since I am preparing for long-haul trips, I am worried it won't be enough. Please suggest a reliable option for me.
Alright, sure. You should pick this one. This model is, well, very popular among drivers. Many truckers have chosen it. The feedback has been amazing.
Perfect. Let's do it. Install this one. The shop's mechanics worked very fast and efficiently. Xiao Min just finished her lunch outside. They had already completely installed the air conditioner. The overall look is very neat and beautiful. Xiao Min is highly satisfied with their work. Next, she drove to the nearby metal shop to weld a custom bracket for the lithium battery. This workshop is also incredibly busy with projects. Xiao Min asked the friendly welding team to prioritize finishing her truck first. Finally, the lithium battery was properly mounted. Everything looks perfectly organized and solid. Why are they always so busy with clients? Because their customer service is top-notch. They always put quality and reputation first. Once all the work was completely done, the owner gifted her 6 white teddy bears, wishing her safe travels on every single journey.